a video. Say hi. We're on a nature trail in Delray Beach. Just me and my buddy. We're biking around. I'll ride my scooter though. But this is a nice nature trail. We're just coming back here to chill. Look around. I'm gonna post this video because I want to show you guys how I love the nature. But yeah, I'll be posting a video soon about on the park. If you want to see that. Dude,
that was our friend Jeff. Here, where did we find?
there's
another one right in there.
There's tons of gopher turtles around here, so it's pretty cool. I like it.
Look, there's one right there. Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them.
Let's gopher turtles.
I touched it.
They're nice. You see, I'll touch it too. Oh, they're snapping turtles.